What's up, my friends? Tom here with Extreme Air Vent. Sorry, it's been a little while. It's been a super busy. Today is actually Christmas Day, and crazy busy at Extreme Air Vents trying to get orders out. Been able to get a couple rides on the turbo now, and got things dialed. These things rip, so love it. Today's going to be a really quick video. I'm going to have a couple of really fast videos coming out. The first one is going to be, I got me a new Linq bag for Christmas. That's going to go on the tunnel. I'm going to show you a quick little secret to get these holes punched out really fast and clean. Required tools, number 30 Torx and a number 16 or a 16 millimeter socket. And not much to install these. Really, I just wanted to show you what I do to get these holes cleaned out quickly and easily. So coming up soon in the next video will be, I've got the new Skidoo mountain grips that are going to go on, the little tips and trick to get that off and the new one on. Also, over here, I'm going to be installing a race rubber. If you don't know what a race rubber is, I'll show you in another video. So anyway, quick Linq installation. So I already have one on there, as you can see, for the little gas can. I don't typically go on big, huge bomber rides where I need to pack fuel, but a little 1 gallon, 1.5 gallon, it's a nice little assurance, even if it's just to make fire. So here we go. Okay, so here on your tunnel, these bump outs, you're gonna go across, you're gonna fill where the hole is. There's one there, and there's another one there. Take a razor blade, find the center, just cut a slit in it. The other one, it's right there. Cut a slit in it. Then you've seen this tool before. I use this a lot. It's a deburring tool for copper pipe or whatever. Stick that thing in there. If you run it around, that's it. Get a good clean hole, takes the tape out. That was through a layer of the factory stuff they put over, and then also the wrap that's on it. So deburring tool, great little tool for cleaning out those holes. Okay, now you're gonna have a 30 Torx and your nut through the bottom. Okay, so you're gonna put your Torx down through. The nut's gonna come up through it. It's a stinking easy process. Nothing to worry about. Okay, like always, I hope that helps somebody. It's really easy. So the new bag will slide in there, goes on, and latches on both sides. Bag's on. Pretty sweet. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like these videos. Coming up, like I said before, grips and race rubber. Peace out.